Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the transmission filter on a Honda Odyssey, the automatic transmission filter. Most transmission filters on these transmissions, on your conventional transmission, is going to be underneath in the transmission pan. This one actually has an external transmission filter that's located right on top of the transmission. Obviously this transmission is out of the vehicle just to make it a little easier to be able to see where exactly it is and how to remove it. But so pretty easy, something you can do in your driveway. You don't have to bring it to a repair shop. It's just two 10mm bolts right here. Just take these out. I mean, it looks similar to just one of your kind of fuel filters, you know. Pop this out, and then this is going to be a 24mm socket or wrench. When it's in the vehicle, you'll probably have to use a wrench. Break that free, and that's all there is to it. Obviously in the vehicle it's going to be a little bit harder, but screw it out like this. There you got it. Take that, go down to your local auto parts store and grab yourself a new filter and good to go.